Big Brother Naija season 4 winner Mercy Eke has come out to lay curses on everyone accusing her of being the side chick of popular businessman IVD.
This for myself. It's too much. I'm going to be posting all the videos that when I go to his shop, I'll make videos. When I go, I'll attach everything so every people can see for the first time. We don't talk does not mean that things are how they say it. And if I ever have any relationship with IDs apart from this transaction, let me know I'm onto anything.
So I purchased this car from IVD Motors on 27th of September for my birthday, to celebrate my birthday, and I got it for 36 million naira. So I didn't know it was an accidental car. When I got it, the light wasn't working, and he told me he was going to fix the light, and I believed him. So from 27th to today, so I purchased this car from IVD Motors on 27th of September for my birthday, to celebrate my birthday, and I got it for 36 million naira. So I didn't know it was an accidental car. When I got it, the light wasn't working, and he told me he was going to fix the light, and I believed him. So from 27th to today, so I purchased this car from IVD Motors on 27th of September for my birthday, to celebrate my birthday, and I got it for 36 million naira.